Hello, hello. Mic check. Test mic. Hello, David. Here's how we'll show how I am launching or setting up a campaign. In CBO strategy. So now, I am here in a sample ad account, and let's create. Let's take this one. Then let's take sales. Continue. And I just prepare here a campaign naming, something like this. And our product is Magia coffee and espresso machine. And let's just put a budget, a sample CBO budget. Let's say $30 daily budget. This is okay now. And let's proceed to the ad set. Let's name this as broad. And let's tick the website. If we have a website to for a landing page for the customers to visit or to buy this product. And ad set, this is a sample data set or pixel ID that is being fired and it is active. And let's pick purchase here in conversion event and scroll down for a bit. Let's say this will be launched 10 a.m. EST. Let's schedule it today. And let's change the location. Our target is United States. Three states in the United States. California. Let's say California. California, Washington, and New York. This is just a sample. Location targeting. Let's X this Belgium. We don't need this. And show more controls. Just to check the minimum age or language. English. English all. And last for the beneficiary. Let's say this is directly related to the product. Let's say this is the page, the beneficiary option. And this is all good now. We set up the ad set. Let's go to the ad level. Let's name it ad ad 1. And let's pick a page, something like Ornexis. This is sample page. Then let's paste the sample URL here and the display link. And just to show you the sample here. Let's say this is an English USA because I cannot find the American or the English version of this product because our product is Magia coffee and espresso machine. This is a sample. It is a Poland landing page. But yeah, let's say this is a US or English version of the website URL of the product. Just for a sample. Yeah. And now let's upload a video creative. I have a sample video creative here. One moment. Mm, sorry for this. Let's upload. And then the download. Let's upload these three. While we are waiting for the video creatives to be uploaded, maybe this is just will take a few minutes. Let's just wait. 20%, 80, C3 100. Once it all are uploaded, let's pick uh a one video creative for eh, one ad level. Then we will duplicate this later because as you said or you told me lately that you the team is focusing on campaign setup, then not creating more campaigns but duplicating the ad sets and ad level. That's what I get lately what you said, David. And correct me if I'm wrong. It's okay. And yeah, I can adjust, but I think I am confident that my understanding is correct. Let's pick the C1 1553-C1 creative. Let's skip. Okay. Let's make sure the resolution or the placement are vertical or original version. And the text, I prepared a sample ad here. Let's paste this one, the ad one. And let's paste the headline. This one headline is for all the copy or for all the creatives. One headline, the same for the all. Then description, let's add promotion ends 23:59. And let's choose the uh purchase shop now. Sorry. The shop now because we're on sales objective campaign. Then yeah, that's all for setting the ad. Mhm. And then just checking for the setup correct for the CTA language translation. Here for the URL parameters, let's leave it now because I don't have URL parameters now. Let's say the pixel is active or already fired. And I think that's all. For the last one, just let's duplicate this quickly. Duplicate for the second creative broad copy. Then let's change this as add to, and let's change the video for C2. Uh, and then let's change the primary text according to our add copy here. Add copy to. Nothing to change for the headline, just the primary text, and then next and done. This is for the duplication. Let's say this is no error supposedly. And let's duplicate again for the third video creatives. Copy to. Let's just change this to add 3. Then let's change the creative again. for C3 or Creative 3? Oh, let's change the add copy 3. So that there's the variation of the primary text for different video creative. Think that's all good. And just to wrap this up, this screen record, I have prepare also an image creative here. Three, also three. Let's duplicate the campaign for three copies. Add set. Okay. This is 4. This is 5. 1. Add 3. 4. 5. Copy 2. 6. Let's say this is 6. Copy 4. Copy 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let's say we already duplicate the setup for the image creative. Let's just delete, then add image, go to media, then upload the sample creatives here, the three Magiya coffee and espresso machine sample product. And let's choose this one for this creative. Um, add add image creative, and so on and so on. Let's say all of the creatives are being uploaded for the image, and then supposedly let's say this setup is all good for now. No error. Then when we click publish, let's say we click the publish, close. It will go in process or in progress here, processing the delivery. Then later on, maybe this will be in review or in an active status. So this is all my setup campaign launching sample for CBO. And to track the data of this bonus sample, I am creating my own columns for this. And I am just deleting the unnecessary customs or options here. I am just adding the budget, the action, campaign naming. Let's just add that. Then the purchase ROAS. Then the CPC, CTR, CTR all, CPC all, CPM, adds to cart, result, cost per result, and average purchase for value. Then let's name this column Dale Media Buyer. Yeah, we already set up the campaign sample here, the campaign demo for this application, and that's all. And let me know, David, if this setup is good for you, and I can adjust based on the SOP of the company if I am perfectly fit for the role. Thank you, David. Thank you so much for watching this. Let's stop the